I was gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. So I know I haven't made a video in about a week or so, but I've been really busy so far. I just completed college and I'm very happy to say that I'm officially a mechanical engineer. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at my channel right now. Make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos. And also help us out by following us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And we also have the Robinhood referral link. That's a trading app that I recommend using for anything for beginner to little advanced traders. And if you're doing more day trading, then you can also use a day trading platform on Thinkorswim. And you also get a free stock, and so do I if you use that referral link. And make sure to check out the website right here, pinnacletrading.us. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the recent trades that we have. And let's look at the swing trading alerts first. So right now I'm in UGAS. I took a position here right here at a 54. That was my entry, and looked for exit around 55 to 56. In June it usually tops out and then starts falling, so I want to sell at that top and then get the inverse of it. That's DGAS. We also had numerous options alerts, profits back to back, more than 100% profits overall. And I picked up Apple and it was in it before earnings, so let's look at that. Let's look at the 180 day. So I got in about 172 right here, and then it broke below all the way down to 161.10, 162 area. And I held it into the earnings. I had about 5 contracts for June 1st 170 call, and it flew after earnings, and I sold just to break even, but it flew after earnings. I really do wish I held it, but I'm looking to play it on the downside when it has a pullback from the top, and it did beat that all-time highs and flew above. And next one right now, I'm going to be showing you UGAS that I'm in. So my entry was 54 on that. Right now 53.70 closing on Friday, or 53.80 area. So I'm looking for 55, looking for this breakout, and then run to that 60 test if it can, and then I'll be looking to sell the top this week or next week, because I know around June 1st it starts to top out big time and then has a big fall due to natural gas. That's just how it works. More in the fall, winter, and springtime, that's when natural gas is at its best, and then during summertime it's at its lowest. So that's why I'm going to be selling that and then taking DGAS when this tops out. They're the inverses, so you can buy and short them as you like. And the next one, right now I'm in BAC and JPM. So they did have that big drop, but right now I'm in profits on JPM, and I averaged down a lot on BAC. Have about 30 calls on that for June 1st 30 call, and JPM was June 1st 108 call. So I'm in profits on JPM, but BAC I'm down about 20% or so, but it should recover big time, as we did see the FOMC meeting. That's a Fed meeting that happened last week. So looking at it 180 day, looks good and nice for nice breakout. Let's look at the yearly. It definitely wouldn't have tested the 200 SMA, or that would have been a big breakdown below, but it went to about 28.43, so it's really close to testing that 200 SMA, 28.18, but it didn't, so that's good, and it bounced right up. And also have a bullish pennant forming right here, and that's predicted price range of 32 to 34.60 from April 20th to September 3rd of this year, 2018. So look for a nice big breakout before June 1st on BAC and JPM. So you can see MACD and RSI coming back up. Looking at the 30 day, so they did break above. So looking for that breakout at 50 SMA, and same with BAC and along with that for the 50 SMA. So looking for a nice big breakout before June 1st on both of them. Next one, let's go look at the winning trades. Another one I called out was UVXY, so I took puts on that, and you can see my trade right here. I got 44% return, and my other one I've got a SPY call, that's SPY, also had 25% return. So that put me up about more than a couple hundred on the week, and that was more than 100% profit, since also had Apple and also had JPM and other calls that I took. So that was nice little week, and a huge run up in the markets. So that's my trade so far on the weekly, just holding BAC, JPM, and you guys right now. Looking for the next week on the market, I'm looking for SPY to come down, looking at the 180 day. Actually, let's look at the 1 year right here. So you can see bounce off the 200 SMA, making higher lows. That's a good sign in the market. So continuing that bullish markets. So bouncing off the 200 SMA at that 260, 259 area and making higher lows. So bounced it off. So next high will, or next lower high will be, sorry, next higher low will be at a 262, 263 area. So might be another bounce before it goes above 270 and stays above it. So we did have that February and March correction continuing into right now May. So looking for it to break up above 270 and then stay above. So looking for a nice pullback in the market this coming week. Looking at the 30-day, market's really pretty overbought and had a huge run up. So looking for it to come back down to 264, 263 area. So I'm going to be playing some SPY puts and some UVXY calls on that. So that's basically the weekly recap and the weekly overlook into the next week. You can join our chat room. You can join for free, but to get the alerts on the trading, we have swing trading, day trading, long-term investing, and also options alerts, which pay off really big and can pay for the membership within 1 or 2 trades. You can join by the chat room by using this link right here. You can get a 1-week free trial if you go on our website and click the button right here for join now. And if you want to buy the membership immediately, you can do so, and that goes every 30 days, no contracts, nothing, but you can join, and we have our simple pricing, month-to-month pricing, and a lot of members take the gold membership as they're interested in the options and swing trading alerts. And if you would like to upgrade to the diamond, you can get that 10% off once you're gold, or buy the diamond immediately. And we have that 30 minutes per week mentorship program. So whether it's trading, investing, small account, big account, whether you're beginner or advanced trading, we can help you out with doing a voice chat and a screen share, and personally guide you through trading and teaching you how to be successful. Alright guys, so that's my weekly recap, and make sure to join us on social media and make sure to click that subscribe button. Alright guys, take care, hope you guys have a great trading week, and I'll see you back here later this week.